Hi, my name is Torrin.
My name is Dominic.
My name is Micah.
Emmett.
Today is Friday, May 15th, 2026, and this is what's happening at Brooklyn STEM Academy.
From the office, tomorrow is Google Family STEM Day. We're so excited to see all the 4th graders through 8th grade and their families. Monday, the 18th, is Speech Pathologist Day. We're so thankful for Miss McGowan. MHS seniors will also be here to help out around the school for Senior Day. It will be so fun to see familiar faces. Our 4th grade honor night begins at 6 p.m. on Monday, May 18th. We are all welcome to join us as we celebrate our 4th graders who will be moving on to Bell Intermediate Academy next school year.
The 19th is Track and Field Day. Remember to bring your own sunscreen, and staff aren't allowed to apply it for you. A change of clothes is also a great idea. Get ready to have some fun. Wednesday, the 20th, is Chromebook Collection Day. Please make sure to charge your Chromebook and charger are returned to school so that your families are not charged for them. Camp Invention is June 1st through 5th. From robotic capybaras to paddle boats and more, this year's challenges will spark your creativity and deliver a week full of non-stop fun. Sign up now for the epic summer adventure at Brooklyn STEM Academy. Scholarships are still available. Finally, Thursday, May 21st, is the last day of school. We'll be celebrating our kindergarten through third grade graders with award ceremonies starting at 9 a.m. We'll have a great summer break.
Pre-K finished up their farm unit by using different shapes to make cows. They had a lot of fun with this one.
Kindergarten adopted new pets. They adopted pet worms. They had to give them names, sign their birth certificate, draw them, measure them, and care for them.
1st grade created their own superheroes, and they used the writing process to create a story with their superheroes. They had to design their characters, brainstorm ideas, write their story, and edit and publish it.
2nd grade finished their unit on planets by creating their own planet with paper mache. They learned the process takes many days and they had to be very careful, but in the end, their planets turned out beautiful. Stay tuned next week to see their final product.
The 3rd graders had a guest speaker this week. She brought in her solar panels and solar-powered generator. They learned about that solar-powered generators are a lot like gas-powered generators, except they don't pollute. The solar panels collect power from the sun and the generator stores the power for later use. They also each get a little solar power fan to put together. They took them outside and tested them immediately. How fun!
The 4th graders are finishing up their novel, Study of from the Mixed Up Files of Basil E. Frankweiler by creating a museum exhibit diorama based on a narrative story they wrote in class about a statue in the museum. In the book, Claudia and Jamie lived in the Metropolitan Museum of Art in New York City and worked together to solve a mystery involving a statue that may have been created by Michelangelo. We love this book and creating our own stories about a museum exhibit.
The library is still missing 28 books. If you still have a book missing, please make sure you turn it in as soon as possible. Turning in your library book means that someone next year also gets to enjoy it. Congratulations, both kindergarten and Miss Rollins' class, on having 0 missing books. Please look at this picture to see how many your class is missing.
In the library this week, we got to complete jigsaw puzzles. Did you know that puzzles were invented around 1760 by a London map maker? This week was the last week for Beanstack. It was an amazing competition, and many of our classes worked so hard to get in their reading minutes in. But only one class can be our winner. Let's give a huge congratulations to Miss White's class, 4th grade class. Wait, that's our class. They finished the year with 42,822 minutes logged. Wow, that is almost 30 days altogether. The winners' party will be in the library on Monday. We also invited the top readers from every class to join us.
NPE Track and Field Day is on May 19th. Stations will go all day and end with a class versus class tug of war. The 4th grade class that wins will get to go against the staff. Make sure to wear your tennis shoes, athletic clothes, bring a water bottle, and if you need sunscreen, to apply it before you come to school. Let's have some fun. Bring it on, teachers.
In computer science and STEM, we are working with ND Spiros and finishing up a project with Tinkercad, and some of the items will be printed with the 3D printer.
Here's a message from Miss Tier.
All right, we've got one positive office referral for this week, and that goes to Dominic Walker. He's been working really hard in math and completed 3rd grade Alex and is moving on to 4th grade. Congrats to Dominic. Last, before we get off for this school year, I want to wish all of our 4th graders a great time as they move on to 5th grade and other buildings.
Joke of the week. Why did the broom have to go to summer school?
I don't know. Why did the broom have to go to summer school?
Because it was always sweeping during class.
Thank you for watching the last What's Happening at Brooklyn STEM Academy for the year 2025 and 2026. And see you next year.
Bye.